Hey friends, welcome back to Everyday AI, the channel where we make artificial intelligence simple, practical, and fun for everyday life. I'm your host, and today we're exploring Google's brand new viral tool, Nano Banana AI. Now I know what you're thinking. Nano Banana? Sounds like a snack. But trust me, this tool is changing how people edit and share photos, especially for seniors and everyday users who just want something easy. Maybe you've seen those viral figurine-style photos all over Instagram and TikTok. People turning their selfies, pets, and even old memories into 3D collectible figurines. That's the power of Nano Banana AI. But here's the real secret. It's not just for fun. Seniors, families, and everyday people can use it to bring old photos back to life, explore creative hobbies, and share memories like never before. Let's face it, not everyone is a Photoshop pro. Editing old family photos, making greeting cards, or creating something artistic often means downloading complicated apps or paying professionals. And for seniors, it's even tougher. Old photos are blurry or faded. Editing software is overwhelming. Sharing memories online feels complicated. That's the problem. Precious memories stay hidden in dusty albums or dull folders instead of being enjoyed and celebrated. This is where Nano Banana AI shines. It's part of Google's Gemini family, designed to make photo editing as simple as typing what you want. No layers, no confusing buttons. Just upload your picture, describe what you want, and the AI does the work for you. Here's what makes it special for everyday users. It remembers faces and details, so edits still look like the real person. You can turn photos into paintings, figurines, or postcards in one step. It's free for basic use inside the Gemini app. Basically, it's like giving your photo album a magic wand. Alright, let's jump into a live demo so you can see how easy this is. Go to the Gemini app or AI Studio on your phone or computer. Look for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. That's the technical name for Nano Banana. Let's upload an old family picture. This one is black and white and slightly faded. Now type, enhance the colors, make it sharp, and turn it into a watercolor painting. Now let's try something trendy. I'll take this pet photo and ask Nano Banana. Turn this dog into a superhero figurine with a clear acrylic base. Once you're happy, just save the image. You can print it as a greeting card, post it on WhatsApp, or upload it to Facebook, all without using any complicated software. So there you have it, Nano Banana AI. For seniors and everyday users, it's a simple, free way to refresh old photos, explore creative hobbies, and share memories with just a few clicks. It's fun, powerful, and requires zero tech skills. Now I want to hear from you. What's the first photo you'd edit with Nano Banana? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want me to make a full side-by-side comparison between Nano Banana, Midjourney, and Canva's AI, let me know. That video might be next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyday AI for more tools that make life easier.